Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 41. What? Of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, asks on his Facebook page pretty much every day for you to ask him questions, and he will answer the questions. We read those questions. There's a lot of questions. And we take the cool, the funny, the weird, and the myths, and we present them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about crocheted bikinis. Yes. Acoustic guitars. Fruit snacks from the Lido buffet for crew members. Excel class hot air tools and sugar-free juices. All right, question one. Does Carnival have a policy regarding crocheted bikinis or swimsuits for women? Hope not. The reason they ask is it's all the rage right now and you see it everywhere, but because it's crocheted or knitted, it's a little more risque. So they wanted to know, because they make them before they went on the cruise, if they can wear what they make. John said, they didn't even know this was a thing. His grandmother would have known this when she was alive because she crocheted and knitted all the time. That said, he has not seen them on any prohibited items list. That said, from everybody else, it's a little risque, so it's up to you. I'm all for it. Question two. Can this person bring an acoustic guitar on board? Jimmy, the astute tourist, this one's for you. Yes, you can. You can absolutely bring a musical instrument on board. That said, if they get complaints or a lot of complaints about the volume or anything about that, they will ask you to stop doing it. But can you do it? Absolutely yes. You can bring your musical instruments on board as long as you're not pissing everybody else off, I guess would be the easy way to put it. Next question. Can you bring fruit to the crew from Lido buffet or stuff like that? John said, it's something they can't do. Unfortunately, they cannot eat it while they're at work. And of course, there's the whole transfer of your hand to their hand to somebody else's hand and then back to them. So as much as they would love it, you can't do it just for simple hygienics. I thought they would like that myself. This person said they have many people have issues on the Jubilee, the Excel class in general, with hot hair tools, not air, hair tools. So when they plug them in, they don't work. You're not supposed to bring them. Can you bring them? This, that, and the other. John said, well, frankly, there's really no straight answer to this. Curling irons, straighteners, and so on. Here's the important part. If it's above 50 hertz, but below 60 hertz in frequency, it will work on all of the Excel class ships. So if you look at your electronics, it'll tell you what the frequency is. If it's between 50 and 60, it will work on the Excel class ships. Liz brings hers and it's in that range and it works. This person asks, are there sugar-free juices or lemonade on the Carnival ships? John said, no, there's not. There's plenty of sugar-free sodas, sugar-free syrups, this, that, and the other, but there's no sugar-free fruit juices. He did say he has added it to the wish list for the beards to look at. So there you go. That's 41. Thanks for watching. Please take care.